All right, so we are unboxing the SanDisk. I got two Prime Day deals. This was regular 60, went down to 30, so I got 256. So let's open them up, see what's in here. Okay, let me open. I can get this thing. How do you open this? Okay. Man, what they sell this with Gorilla Glue? Oh, okay. I see it now. So you just go. Okay. So sorry, y'all. I don't do a lot of unboxing videos. And there it is. So you get a free download, 2-year subscription to Rescue Pro. It is right there, as you can see in the packaging. Since we got two, let's make sure both of them have them. I'll open this box out of the set, so it won't be as bad as the last box. I'm over here struggling. Man, all right. Boom. Similar, very the same. And then got the SD UHS card reader. So let's check this out. This one's got a little, whatever this is called right up here. Open it up. There's the S card reader. Hook it up to my PC. So there it is. SanDisk reader, SanDisk card, SanDisk card. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you have any questions about the unboxing or any better techniques, please let me know.